Now let's talk about the most important metric any seller on Amazon cares about: sales. There are perhaps hundreds of different variables that come into play which can impact your sales. But once again, I want to simplify it by reasoning from first principles. So we're going to break these concepts down to their most basic and fundamental levels in order to clearly see what actually drives sales. Through this process, we'll be able to find the signal through the noise. After all is said and done, there are really only two variables that impact your sales: traffic and conversion rate. That's it. Now, when we talk about traffic, depending on where you are in the Amazon platform, you might see different terminology. Sometimes Amazon calls it sessions, in other places they say detailed page views, and at times they say glance views. But they all mean the same thing. It's how many visits you received on your product detail pages. Simply put, the more traffic we receive, the more sales we receive, assuming conversion rate remains constant. To the flip side, our traffic could remain flat, but if we double our conversion rates, we could double our sales. If you think along these basic principles, you'll have a much easier time figuring out why sales are trending in a certain direction. If conversion rates stayed constant while traffic decreased, well, now we've narrowed down what other data points we need to examine. Perhaps we pulled back on budget, which drove less traffic, or perhaps a competitor began outbidding us for the best placements. However, if traffic remained constant while conversion rates decreased, then we have a different batch of data points to consider. We'd first want to review our own listings to see if there were any changes that may have happened, and then look to any changes in top competitors, and of course review our keyword targeting strategies. Let's take a deeper look at what might cause changes to these two key variables.